world in her pocket, moon on a string. Lips tight as iron, she wanted everything. Gravity, a center stage, fueled her habitual rage. Marveled at her mirror, adjusted the angle of the light. Pouts and struts, schoolgirl spite. Men would come, but they would never stay. She just pays and pays and pays. Flip of the card, cracks in the ice. Quick step to the left, shadows on the right. We run around this valley of shame. Small boats slip away. Lights his second cigarette, feels the whiskey's roar. Malted gunner, second grade war. Translucent dream in a frozen atmosphere. Darkness disappears. The engines breach the angle towards the trumpet of the sun. Shields his eyes, threads the bullets through the gun. Flak brands round like ribbons in a black parade. He just prays and prays and prays. Flip of the card, cracks in the ice. Quick step to the left, shadows on the right. We run around this valley of shame. Small boats slip away. Light through the window slats paints a prison on the sheets. Forgotten child, ruby red, her heart beats. Unrelenting battle, adversaries in the hall. Fury rattles the walls. Traces angles in the air, bats the light switch cord. Burrows deep in the pillows, puts a chair against the door. Nothing cuts through this empty space. He counts the days, the days, the days. Flip of the card, cracks in the ice. Quick step to the left, shadows on the right. Run around this valley of shame. Small boats slip away. Small boats slip away. Small boats slip away.